So NFTs, non-fungible tokens, what I'm going to do is just quickly show you some real-world examples and help explain what an NFT is. So you got the Mona Lisa, only one of them, as far as we know, in existence. Some rare Pokemon. I've got a Pokemon Charizard, not in the best condition, but still relatively rare, and there's rarer ones than that. And then there's rare trainers as well, some of them selling for thousands or tens of thousands of dollars. So with the Mona Lisa, that is a piece of artwork. There's only one. You can't split it, you can't make it into 10 small pieces, it's no longer the original, and you can't trade it into a smaller version. There's only one, and that's it. Rare Pokemon, there's not one, there might be like, let's say 5 or 10 of a particular card, so there's rarity there. Same with trainers, there's probably only a few select ones. So think of it like this, you could have one rare original video, or you could have 10 rare original items for a video game character, and that's the same thing like your rare trainers. So hopefully some real world examples to help explain what NFTs could be when used in the real world online.